Hey guys, my name is Zed and welcome back to Clash TV. So, as you all know, I got the log from a silver chest. If you didn't saw that my previous video, go check it out. So, today I am with TM and we are doing some troll attack with the logs. So what we are gonna do is TM is gonna drop lots of spear goblins and I am gonna counter it with just one log. So if you want to see it, let's check the replay. So as you can see, this is not interesting to see, so I'm just gonna do it into 4, so we just can do this really fast. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna take each of one tower, not one tower, we are just gonna take both towers down. Then we are gonna start deploying the goblin hut. I don't know why he just throw 2 goblin hut to take down. So as you can see, I dropped my giant to take down his second, but it failed. So I dropped some guards, but they also failed. So now I'm gonna do is he's gonna take my tower. Now I'm gonna try to take his tower down with some guards, and the rage fell, so they took it down. So now we are gonna do is we are gonna just pump up and start it. So as you can see, I dropped some skeletons on the right side, so he gave me angry face. So now as you can see, this is going too fast, so now I'm gonna start it. So as you can see, I gave him a thumbs up. That's mean I'm just gonna start deploying my giant. Here I dropped my first giant. Still his fire spirits took one of my elixir collected out, but still it doesn't matter because we are just gonna, so it's still looking. As you can see, he dropped two goblin hut till now. Here comes his third one. So the spear goblins are starting getting collected. So I don't know why, but I dropped a rage spell. So as you can see, there are 5 goblin huts now and a bunch of spear goblins over there. So as you can see, my giant is just getting wrecked over there because of the spear goblins. Look at the amount of spear goblins he's deploying. So now I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna log him. So I think this was like 80 to 90 spear goblins. So now here comes the giant again. So we are just gonna do it once again. Here comes my 2 giants, and I started deploying everything except the logs. So as you can see, there are more than, I think now there are more than 100 spear goblins. They are still getting collected and I am trying to get it out. So as you can see, look at the amount was destroyed by it. So as you can see, there are a lot of goblins which we deployed here. So I'm gonna drop one more giant and getting ready to drop the second giant, but here I drop it, but still it was too late, and I'm gonna drop my log, and I don't know why, but I dropped a log now. So anyway, I got one more replay to show you, but this time I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut the whole video. I'm just gonna show you when we just start the attack. So I am back, guys. You can see there are more than 5 to 6 pumps and he got more than 10 pumps. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start the replay. Here I drop my first giant. He's gonna drop his huts. Yes, he dropped his hut, and look at one of my guards. He's just targeting that collector. So now as you can see, he's dropping things to stop my giant. Here I drop a log just for wasting it. So as you can see, the goblins are just starting getting collected. Here comes my second giant getting ready for the third giant. Here I drop one more giant. So as you can see, there are a bunch of spear goblins here. So he just used a zap spell, and as you can see, I drop one more giant. So now I can't handle it, so I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna log it, and here comes my log. They did a pretty good amount of damage, I think, to my tower. So anyway, we are just gonna go forward and do it again, And as you can see, I dropped 2 giants this time. So he's just dropping those huts after huts, and I dropped my log, which was, did you look at the amount of spear goblins that die because of that log? So this is really awesome to see. So now look at the amount of spear goblins which are there here. So I'm just gonna log them, but still they are just gonna come to my tower, I think. No, I'm gonna drop them once again. But this time what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna get wrecked by those goblins and just gonna get 3 crowns. I tried to drop my log, but still the log was slow and the spear goblins are too fast and they took it down. So this was today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.